Hello students. Today I am going to discuss the important relations with respect to Venn diagram. Okay. So there are three to four relations are there which are useful while solving practical problems, day-to-day problems, or the relation involving union, intersection, or it might be complement. So when all these are combined, what might be the relation including all of these operations? So that relations are we are going to see today. uh, in every relation I will explain, try to explain in form of Venn diagram, as well as taking some elements also and example also. Okay, so let me take the important Venn diagram that I told earlier for a given set A as well as B. So when two sets are given, the operations, how those are represented as the intersection portion is given by A intersection B, and the only part of A that will be given by A minus B, and the only part given by B is nothing but B minus A operation. That we discuss all these operation one by one in previous classes. Now we will see the how these are linked each other. Okay, here this A minus B, if you see, this is nothing but what, a part of A, or in other words subset of A. And this intersection portion A intersection B is also a part of A, so it is also a subset of A set. And B minus A is the subset of B only. Okay, but the intersection B is a subset of both A as well as B set. Now we can write some of the important reflections from this as A minus B union A intersection B is equal to what? A. Why this is possible? Because A minus B is a part of A set, and A intersection B is also a part of A. So if you unite them, you will get A set. Similarly, it holds good for B minus A union A intersection B, and here B will come. So these two relations are just observation from this diagram. And one more thing is there, if you unite all of three, A minus B, A intersection B, B minus A, at a time, you will get what? You will get the union. Okay, so let me write that one also here. So A minus B union A intersection B union B minus A. So I am just treating union among all these three different sets, and it will provide A union B. So this is also a very important relation that is required in our finding main relation. I hope all these three are clear. So let me jump to the important relation, that is n of A plus n of B is equal to n of A union B plus n of A intersection B. This is a famous relation of in a set chapter, and now we will study how to derive this, how to arrive at this result. Okay, for this let me take LHS part, that is n of A plus n of B. What is this n? The n is nothing but number of elements present in A, and n of B is number of elements present in B, and n of A intersection B is a number of elements present in A intersection B. So these are all counts. Okay, so there is a relation between the count of A elements B as well as union and intersection. This is a one relation which will combine all these operation and sets. Okay, so n of A, we know this from our observation. So what is A? A is nothing but combination of A minus B and intersection. Okay, the union of both. So what I can write n of A is as this n of A is equal to, I can write n of